Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Heto ang mga laro ng MPBL ngayong August 16, 2023 na gaganapin sa Caloocan Sports Complex. Sa first game, maghaharap ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns kontra sa Oriental Mindoro Disciplinados alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game, kakalabanin ng Nueva Ecija Vanguards ang Jinsan Warriors alas 6 ng gabi. Sa main game, maglalaban ng Batangas City kontra sa Caloocan City alas 8 ng gabi. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ngayon as of August 15, 2023. Sa North Division, Quezon City to the Action B Fresh 3 wins 22 losses. Manila Stars 3 wins 21 losses. Valenzuela Shore Homes 3 wins 21 losses. Bulacan Kuya 6 wins 18 losses. Paranaque Patriots 9 wins 15 losses. Rizal Golden Colors 11 wins 13 losses. One Bataan Risers 12 wins 12 losses. Marikina Showmasters 14 wins 10 losses. Pasay Voyagers 14 wins 9 losses. Pasig City MCW Sports 17 wins 8 losses. Caloocan City 17 wins 7 losses. Makati Okibit King 17 wins 6 losses. San Juan Knights 18 wins 5 losses. Nueva Ecija Vanguards 19 wins 4 losses at nangungunang Pampanga Giant Lanterns 21 wins 2 losses. Sa South Division, Bicol Volcanoes 1 win 23 losses, Laguna Croatia 3 wins 22 losses, Oriental Mindoro Disciplinados 4 wins 19 losses, Negros Mascobados 9 wins 15 losses, Sarangani Marlins 10 wins 14 losses, Bacolod Mascaras 10 wins 14 losses, Iloilo United Royals 11 wins 14 losses, Imos Isby Squad 11 wins 11 losses, Muntinlupa Kidgers 12 wins 10 losses, Zamboanga Families Brand Sardines 16 wins 7 losses, Quezon Huskers 17 wins 6 losses, Batangas City 17 wins 5 losses, Jinsan Warriors 18 wins 5 losses at nangungunang Bacoor City Strikers 19 wins 4 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.